Olive oil has been a prized possession for centuries. Ancient civilizations revered this liquid gold for its versatility. It wasn't just a food source, it was medicine, fuel, and a symbol of prosperity. Imagine ancient Greece, where athletes used olive oil to enhance their physique and stamina. This tradition highlights the long-standing belief in olive oil's power to promote health and well-being, a belief that scientific research continues to support today. Olive oil is simply the natural juice extracted from olives, the fruit of the olive tree. It's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, known for its health benefits. This liquid gold comes in different varieties, each with a unique flavor profile and uses. Extra virgin olive oil, the least processed form, boasts the highest concentration of beneficial antioxidants. These powerful compounds combat inflammation in the body. Reducing inflammation is key to preventing chronic diseases and maintaining good health. Navigating the world of olive oil can be tricky with so many options available. Look for extra virgin olive oil on the label for the highest quality. This indicates minimal processing and maximum nutrient retention. Cold-pressed oils are also a good choice, as heat can degrade the oil's delicate flavor and beneficial compounds. Opt for dark glass bottles or tins to protect the oil from light degradation. Remember, quality matters when it comes to reaping the full health benefits of olive oil. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is simple and delicious. Drizzle it generously over salads for a flavorful and healthy dressing. Use it to sauté vegetables, preserving their nutrients and adding a rich taste. A dash of olive oil can even enhance the flavor of soups and stews. Remember, olive oil has a relatively low smoke point, so it's best for cooking over medium heat to avoid harmful compound formation. While olive oil offers numerous health benefits, moderation is key. The American Heart Association recommends about 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day for a healthy adult. This amount provides a good balance of healthy fats and antioxidants without adding excessive calories. You can easily incorporate this amount through cooking and salad dressings. Listen to your body and adjust the amount based on your individual needs and dietary preferences. Olive oil is more than just a cooking oil. It's a health elixir with a rich history. From ancient civilizations to modern science, its benefits are undeniable. Including this liquid gold in your diet can have a significant positive impact on your overall well-being. Choose quality oil, use it wisely, and enjoy its health-enhancing properties. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Let's delve deeper into the science behind olive oil's remarkable health benefits. Numerous scientific studies have shown that olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Research indicates that the polyphenols in olive oil can help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. A study published in the journal Nature found that regular consumption of olive oil can significantly lower markers of inflammation in the body. Olive oil is also known for its heart health benefits. The American Heart Association recommends olive oil as a healthier alternative to saturated fats. Studies have shown that it can improve cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. One landmark study, known as the pre-dimed study, demonstrated that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil can reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events by up to 30%. Additionally, olive oil is a source of essential nutrients. It contains vitamins E and K, which are vital for skin health and bone strength. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other foods. Expert opinions further support these findings. Dr. Mary Flynn, a well-known nutritionist, states that olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits. Its unique composition makes it a powerful ally in promoting overall health and longevity. So, as you can see, the science is clear. Incorporating olive oil into your diet can provide numerous health advantages. By making this simple yet impactful change, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, but also investing in your long-term health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful health tips. Remember, small changes can lead to big health benefits. Start incorporating olive oil into your daily diet today. Stay healthy and enjoy the numerous benefits that olive oil has to offer.